Hey guys, welcome back to One of Things. But for today's video, we're going to show you how to connect Turtle Beach Stealth 600 to Bluetooth. So if you're interested, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to take in mind here is which generation you currently have right now for your Turtle Beach Stealth 600. So currently there are three generations, or Gen 1, 2, and 3. Now, for Gen 1 and Gen 2, if you have those, well, in this case, it does not support Bluetooth connectivity, but instead uses a USB dongle. Now, in order for you to connect this Gen 1 or Gen 2 headset, what you just need to do is you want to go ahead and get your USB dongle and just make sure to switch this over to USB. Now, once you've done that, you just need to plug this into your PC, and that would actually automatically connect your headset here to your PC if you're using PC or a laptop. But yeah, so just make sure to switch over your volume settings to the appropriate one in order for you to start using it. But in this case, if you have a Gen 3 type of headset here, well, you're in luck. You could actually use your Bluetooth for this one. So what you need to do is you want to go ahead and just go to the side of your Bluetooth, and you should see these buttons here. Now, you should see a Bluetooth button here. What you need to do is you just need to press and hold on this one, and this will actually make or put your headset into pairing mode. Now, once it's actually in pairing mode, what you need to do is you just need to go ahead and start pairing this into your PC, or in this case, your phone if you're using your phone. So just for the idea, I'm just going to open up my Bluetooth settings in my PC. And in here, you just need to click on the Add Device option. Just click on Bluetooth. And from here, if you do see your Turtle Beach Stealth 600, just select that to start the pairing process. And typically speaking, that's how you basically pair your headset. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.